Hello everybody, today at Eagle Tech we have a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with damaged screen. We will be replacing. First of all, we're gonna remove the rear glass. After that, we will need to take off all the screws, disconnect the battery, remove literally all parts, motherboard, subboard, connectors, cameras, battery, charging port, everything as you see here. We removed it from the damaged frame and body. We're gonna put it back on a new screen and frame. This is the old one, this is the brand new one after we add the parts to it, and this is the result. The screen looked like brand new, and now the phone looks like brand new again. Come check us out. We open 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thank you.